what everyone comes to see.
What's going on, guys? New video today. As you can see, we are at Rottnest Island, really just in search for the happiest animal that you will ever meet. There's also a few nice snorkeling beaches here too, so here with T-Bone. His name's conveniently Tyson, and Tyson's like to stick together for some reason. But as you can see, a beautiful coastline here. It's a short 30-minute ferry ride to get over here, and there's a heap of beaches to go to. It's about 20 degrees, so it's not an ideal temperature, but I'm gonna go snorkeling and have some fun. So we made it to our first stop of the day. It's only 10 minutes in. Already bleeding because the bike I got skips gears, so that's fun. We're at Henrietta Rocks. Looks like a little snorkeling area. See right there, there's a, I don't know if it's a boat or something that's just been sunk. Looks pretty ancient. And then, I guess this is why it's called Henrietta Rocks, for these rocks here. So it's still pretty cold, still pretty early, so figure out if we're going to go swimming or not. I might go just a quick snorkel and see what's out there, just for you guys. We'll freeze for the content. There's about 100 fish down there, and all really good size. How's those rocks looking? It's a bit of a mission to get to the ship. Getting hit by these waves trying to get out there, and there's all these rocks. Than us. There's basically just a channel you can swim through to get to the shipwreck instead of having to go over all these rocks and your flippers, so keep that in mind. Got ourselves a little abyss. There's been no one here, even though it's so calm. I didn't actually check what this beach was called, so I'll find out on the way up. T-Bone's going to tell me if it's good for snorkeling. And I'm going to find out what's around this corner. And if you wanted to know, around the corner is just another beach that I don't think you can climb down to. I don't know if there's any stairs, but just a rocky beach, much like this one. A bit more secluded though, which would be nice. because it's a bit too shallow to snorkel over all this seaweed. That last beach was Parker Point. Now we're just a bit of a windy recording and riding a bike. It's harder than it looks. You're supposed to change gear and brake. This is Little Salmon Bay, and as you can see already, lots to snorkel through, a few little tunnels and stuff that you're getting caught on. But it's probably one of the most popular snorkeling spots because it's quite calm and stick to these rocks and there's a little reef, and you can see already a lot of fish. Might head around this corner and see what's around there though. Oh, he's going back through the tunnel. I guess it's my go. So this is Little Salmon Bay from above, and as you can see it's covered by reefs all around, so it's pretty well protected. Probably a kid friendly beach I'd say, and plenty to see. And we're off again. Lighthouse. It's the feeding ground for those angry little animals. Alright, we changed our minds, we're going to go in and see if there's anything. Mary Cove. I think it's been my favourite bit of snorkeling so far. Lots of different fish. Hopefully I captured most of them. And no other people. You go to Little Salmon Bay and there's pretty much the same fish. But there's a lot more people there, so explore a little more and get out here. And as you can see, there's heaps to go over there. There was a cool tunnel to swim through. There's actually a couple of tunnels to swim through, so this one's the best so far, at least in my books anyway. I've been riding around for a while, finally stopped. West end of the island. It's a grueling ride, so there's not much swimming up there, so if you're just planning on swimming, I wouldn't recommend going up there. Buy a bus if you're traveling around like that. It's definitely worth it, but we've stopped Ricey Bay, I think it is. We have been told it's a pretty good spot for snorkeling, so we'll find out. We're starting to get back around to the closer side of the to the town. So we're just going to take our time out here. We got a couple of hours, 3 hours till we got to give the bikes back, so may as well relax and go see some stuff. Alright, that was a little ricey. Not too bad. A few little crevices and stuff you can swim by and swim through. Now I think we got 2 more beaches to hit up. We're going to see which one's got the best snorkeling. So far the 3rd beach, I can't remember the name anymore. I think that's been my favourite, but we'll see. We got this one all to ourselves as well, which is nice. And if you do come here, there's a little cave up there that you can set up under, and then you get a bit of shade, because we have not had much shade today. And I can tell you that even with putting on sunscreen, we're both really burnt. Good times. It's what everyone comes to see. This guy looks underfed. Hey buddy. They're everywhere. Hey. We kind of skipped the last 2 beaches because there was a few boat parties going on. Wouldn't have been an enjoyable snorkel. Now we're just trying to find somewhere to set up for sunset and try to capture a good time lapse. So we'll see how we go. The walk here, and lots of quokkas. I think evening time is the best time, but sun's setting, so we got to get somewhere stat. Found our sunset spot. Don't have a tripod because I lost mine on my 4-day paddleboard. So you got to make do with what you got. A little bit of leveling there. Overall, pretty good day. What do you reckon? You ready to go home?
Yeah, just one last sunset to watch.
We got the 9 o'clock ferry because 8 o'clock was booked out. We wanted to get the sunset, so we're another 2 hours and 15 minutes here. And all we can do is this. Just sunset over the ocean. done and dusted. 14 hours here, so we're just waiting another 45 minutes for the jetty, but hit most of the good beaches up. We're cooked, legs are sore, burnt. So if you made it this far into the video, make sure you like, either for T-Bone's chiseled abs that he works very hard for, or for that quokka over there. And make sure you subscribe to the video, and thanks for watching.